Live. This is a different kind of live stream today. We're gonna be coding a game. So, yay. Yeah. Okay, just 1 second. I'm gonna get everything set up on my end, and then we'll start a project. I had this idea in my head. I don't think I'm gonna do this one just yet. I'm gonna make a simpler game to start off with. But yeah. So we're gonna make a simple game first. And it's going to be, it's going to be a clicker game. But the idea that I had that I'm not going to make yet, and I might make in upcoming streams, it will be quite bit more complex. But what I kind of want to do is I kind of want to make like a Roblox Tycoon, but with a clicker game. And a lot of Roblox Tycoons are clicker games, like where you just spam like an upgrade button or something like that. So yeah, but first things first, let's load in the sprite. It could be a cookie clicker game or something. Oops. I accidentally grabbed the ball. 1 second. Just let me delete this real quick. And then let's go through sprites. I want it to be like a cookie clicker game, but with different food. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted so far. Let's just look up. Oh, wait, that's already category. Food. So we got not that many. What about if I look up cookie? Oh, okay. We're not working with much, guys. But we could do this. But you do like a taco clicker game. Let's think about this. Maybe we want a strawberry clicker or like an orange. Honestly, I think we can do the orange. Let's do the orange. Let's do the orange, and then I want there to be different levels. So we want this to be a bit bigger. Let's go 150. Sorry, let me fix my screen. There we go. So now it's 150. I don't know if it's centered or not. I don't know if it's centered. It might be. I can't tell. I don't know how to know if it's centered or not. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny now. So you can have a bigger area to code. But we want the smaller one so far. How do you know if it's centered? You know, we'll just put it there. That looks pretty good. But yeah. And now we're going to make a variable, which I think I already have one, which will work. Oh, gosh. I don't have a variable yet. Gosh. Okay. We're going to do score. Or do we do clicker score? Let's do clicker score. For all sprites. Yeah. And then we're going to do when this sprite clicked. I mean, when green... 1 second. We're not going to do that yet. Oh, yeah. When green flag clicked, set clicker score to 0. And then when this sprite clicked, And then we go back down to variable and then change clicker score by 1. So we're already kind of moving with it. Like, this is already a clicker game, if you like it or not. Because look, the variable goes up every time I click it. And it works, but I want it to be better than that, you know what I mean? So now, once I press the green flag, it'll set back down to 0. But I want to add upgrades and stuff. But it's going to be hard. So it's going to be hard, I'm just going to say. But first things first, now we're going to do another. When this right click, change clicker score by 1. And looks, switch costume to orange 2B, and then when this, 1 second, but I don't know how you change it back, I forgot, and then, oh, this is going to be hard. Wait, I forgot how to do this. Wait, it might be like this. Guys, how do you do this? This is gonna be hard. Okay. Oh, next costume. Yeah, that's how you do it. That was very simple, okay. One second, I'm loading into the stream. What's going on? Let me go into YouTube real quick. Oh my gosh, my laptop is so slow. Oh, I don't want to be connected to this Wi-Fi. I want it to be this Wi-Fi. 1 second, guys. Okay, we should be good. Right? We're good? Yeah, we're good. Okay. Let me just go into analytics again, and then we're going back up. Okay. So now that we've got this, and we've got the costume. Oops, I moved it. But yeah, now we've got 2 different costumes. when you click it. So now we want it to do like a motion thing. And then when this sprite clicked, looks, change size by 10, change size by -10, and then you put a repeat once on each. I think I remember doing this. No. This one goes here. Yeah. And then I press this one too. And then now it's bouncing up and down every time we click it. But we want more variables. So we're gonna make times 2 click points. And then actually wait, no, this is not what we need. I think we have to design a sprite. Let's go do that. So, how do I do this? Oh, like that. Okay. I want it to be black. And we want it to be like that. And then it's times 2. Not like that. We're gonna add text. Maybe not. I don't know how to do this. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Times 2. Click. Times 2 click. Yeah, sure, that'll do. And then we fill it in with white. Oh, whoops. Undo. I still want the outline. Okay, apparently that's a part of the outline. Let's restart this. I don't want this, so we trash it. And we make a new one. Okay. Oh, undo. Make it black. And then, oops. Dang it! Okay, let me just do this. Undo. Times 2 click. Yeah, that'll work. Also, guys, if you're in here, I don't think anyone is right now, but if you are, then refresh your streams because they're a bit off. And now we'll make this a 35. No. This is more 50. Times 2 click. Sure, that'll work. And then we go into code, and when this sprite clicked, one second, I actually gotta. Bro, I'm not doing that. 100 score. Yeah, that's it. $100 score. Yeah, this game is absolutely peak. When this sprite clicked, what am I supposed to do? If I need an if block. If what am I supposed to do? No one's on the stream, but that's okay, because it's okay. We don't need this. If clicker score. Bro, this is the wrong one. Sensing. If. How do I do this? One second. So I can put it into that. This is gonna be hard. Wait. Events. Control. If clicker score. Yeah, that won't work. This is so hard. Oh, if clicker score is more than 100, so we put in clicker score. And we actually do need when this right clicked. Then change clicker score by 2. We have to try this. I don't know if it'll work, because I don't know if it'll only work whenever I use that one. Like, not the orange. Okay, so it only works for that. Win this great click. If clicker score by 99, then change, then when, you guys, this is kind of hard. Then when, Then, we have a then. This is so hard, chat. One second, my mouse is bugged out right now. Okay, I don't know how to do this, and no one's in chat to help me. Shh, I'm streaming. You guys, this is actually really hard, and I don't know how to do it. If clicker score greater than 99, then change clicker score by this. No. And this just does nothing now. What is it that I do? This is so hard, guys. And like that? No. This is so hard, guys. Let me think about it. Maybe I just go like this. When this sprite clicked, if clicker score is set to 99, more than 99, then change clicker score by 2. No, that's just 1 for that one. I don't know how to lead it into the other, like the other sprite. Just give me a second, guys. I don't have chat. I won't be able to see chat for a second. I'm just gonna upload a post real quick that I am streaming. So yeah.
Welcome to the official Shotgun Writing setup tour. This is not my room, this is the worst room I've ever had in a sec, but it's finally happening. 1.4K likes a month ago, so I'm fine here. I'm recording it here. I'm not really sure why I'm here. Why did I do? Okay, I'm just gonna go to my room. Chat, before we go in, you're gonna see my wall for now. Let's just say half of my stuff is like quite old, to say the least. It's this is what the GOAT looks like behind the scenes. Caleb McLaughlin voices Will the GOAT, and in the music video shoot, the giant remote he uses is actually completely green screen, but the big phone next to him is actually real Steph Curry.
Let me try and upload a post real quick. Yeah, I uploaded a post now. So, hooray! Okay, good. Just 1 second, let me shut this door real quick. Okay, I don't know how to do this. How to make an upgrade for a clicker game on Scratch. This is what we need. If I get copyright, yeah. It's a tutorial, guys. We're learning a tutorial. Well, but then our thing is gonna be like so simple. It's gonna be like everyone else's. I need to find something that'll make it better. But I'm just gonna get tips from this video. And if I get copyrighted, I get copyrighted, you know? Hopefully no W copyright.
So since I posted that video where I remade my first game, which was a Scratch clicker, I've had a bunch of people asking me to make a tutorial on it. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So we'll start as we do with any project, slap that create button. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is make your button. Now we're going to need two different costumes. One is going to be the idle button, and then the other one is going to be the pressed button. So now we just got to make our button. I think I'm going to make a little 3D button, although of course you can do your button literally any way you like. So now you made your button, you're just going to want to duplicate that.
Oh my gosh, he walked.
And then for the press button, I think for my art, I'm just going to make this go down to here.
Well, dang.
And there we go. Now we have a nice little pressing animation.
Oh, that's a good idea, actually.
So now we're going to go over to
know how
code, and we're going to start by switching back to idle. Although, just to make sure that you don't accidentally close the project, points per click. Now I'm going to copy it over to this box, and instead of points per click, we're going to do points per second. Now there's going to be a few variables we're going to want to display here. One of those is going to be cost, which I'm going to put in this corner here. Then I'm going to put another bit of text on top of that that's going to say increase by, and then I'm going to copy that over, put it on the points per second as well. So this way we're going to have the cost variable down here, and then we're going to upgrade, and then we'll make by button click cost, and then we're going to have PPC
I don't know
increase.
how to do this.
So you see all your variables over here. All we can do is right click and then press the large down,
how.
and that means no text will be displayed with the variable.
What game you trying to make, by the way? I'm just trying to make a good clicker game, because I did have an idea in my mind of what, oops, I pushed the wrong button, of what I wanted it to be. But I just don't know how to do it, because I am not too good at Scratch, which is the coding thing that I'm using. It's like the very simple one. I'm trying to make it look like super, you know, low quality, kinda. I wasn't, but then I thought that's actually a good idea, and it would make me stand out from the crowd. So we're gonna get rid of the orange, but we're gonna use, I don't know how to, I don't know how to get rid of the orange without doing these codes, so we're just gonna delete the code, you know what I mean? But we're gonna do like, what is something that you click? I know there's like a computer mouse. What about like become a spam clicker game? That might be peak. Do we have like different circle options? No. Oh yeah, you can just make one. But I don't want it to be purple on the inside. I want it to be white on the inside. That's cool. Oh, thank you. Bro, why can't I undo? There we go. Oh no. That's gonna be the computer mouse. You see what I'm thinking? It's like from top down. Actually, we just need another circle. And this one will be filled with black. Oops, that was not it. Nope. Bro, my sister keeps on coming in here. Oh, wait. That's it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the fill has to be black. Sure, that can be the scroll. And we'll make like two very thin lines for the divider. No, there's a dot right there. You know what? It's fine. There we go. Low quality computer mouse. Can you kidding me? Click. Yes. Click. We want it to look low quality, guys. And then we're gonna need a clicking animation, but I think I can just do that with like up and down. But we'll need a clicking sound. And then now, I think you can bring code into another thing, right? Yeah, you can. Put it in there. Put it in there. Did that work? No. It didn't. Why did it work the first time? There we go. Okay. So now this should work. Yeah, it works the same. So now we can delete the orange. And the clicker score goes up. So now what do? We need to add a clicking sound. And we need to get this to work. But I'm going to need to watch a tutorial to get the upgrades to work because I don't know how to do that. It involves like variables and stuff. And I don't know. Let's just look at a... My sister keeps on forgetting to shut the door. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to add a click sound. Oh my gosh, there's like weird stuff that happens when I use my mouse, I'll tell you what. When this sprite clicked, sound, play sound, pop. Pop actually might be good. No, that's not it. We need a clicking sound. Mouse click. What about computer mouse? Okay, so they don't have computer mouse. Honestly, let's just record our own sound. Ready?